Hello, my name is Zoe Fife and I'm a product manager with FTS. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to add a Go station to your agency in FTS 360. You'll need the station's NESDIS ID, data format, and the list and order of the data points that are being transmitted in the message. Additional useful information are the latitude and longitude and elevation of that station. If you're missing any of the required information, speak with the owner of the station. So first, what you want to do is log into the agency where you're going to be adding that station. Then what you do is go down here and press the Add Goes button. You're going to add in the NESDIS ID and then the station name. Once here, you choose the data format that the station is transmitting in. You have multiple options: BLM, time ordered, Chef, and pseudo-binary USGS. In this case, the station is using BLM, so I choose that. Here, there's a button that says Save Data on the Hour. You use this option when data is being collected at the top of the hour, but it might be transmitted at some other point thereafterwards. So the timestamp's not being included in the transmission. For example, say your data is collected at 11 a.m., but your transmission window is 11:34. By selecting this option, it ensures that the data is timestamped with 11 a.m. rather than the 11:34 a.m., which is the time that it would have been received. Now you want to enter the data points that are included in the message, and you want to do those in order. Each data point requires a field name, a friendly name, decimal display, unit group, and unit. For this first index, the field name is RNIN for rain. It has 2 decimals, and then I choose the how the measurement type that it's going to be. And in this case, it's in inches. So I'm going to go through every data point and fill in this information. Here I have added all of the items that are in the message in the order that was expected. If you accidentally did them out of order, use the arrows on the side to rearrange them. If you had the message set up in time ordered instead of BLM, you will be asked to set up sensor sets before defining the individual data points. If the message is in Chef, it'll look similar to the BLM. And if the message is in pseudo-binary, it has its own format, and each of the information boxes explains what to enter in that field. Once the fields are added, you want to go down to the bottom and hit Save Settings. Now go back to the Edit screen, and you'll see that the information is now loaded in to here. If you have the latitude, longitude, and elevation and you want to enter that information manually, then you can do that at this point. I'm going to add in latitude. We'll do that right now. And then I'll save the station information again. Now we end up at the front page where it doesn't show that any data has been received recently. You'll now have to wait until that first transmission is sent, and once it does, FTS 360 will continue to receive the data every time the station transmits hereafter. The wait is worth it because, as you can see here, the data has now come in properly, and not only do you get that one data point, you actually get 3 previous data points all filled in to the graph in one go. So there you have it. This is how you add a Go station to FTS 360. Thank you very much.